Yo, first order of the day, got a 7-Eleven. This is $7 going 3.5 miles.
Here you go.
Thank you. Got the next order lined up right after this one. It is a McDonald's, $8 going 4.5 miles.
Taking pictures of McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Thank you.
Have a great one.
You too. Top floor we go. Got this right away. It's a 7-Eleven, $7 going 4 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Well, I don't have a gate code, so you can pick it up at the gates. It's been a while since that last order. I'd say 15, going on 20 minutes actually. But we finally got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $6 going 1.5 miles, only one item. This would be on the top floor. Got this right away. This is Gravity Coffee, $7 going 3 miles.
There you go.
Thank you. Been another 15 minutes, but finally got the next order. This is a McDonald's, $9 going 4 miles. This add-on probably isn't worth it, but we're doing it anyways just to keep busy. This is Burgerville, $4 going an extra mile.
There you go, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too.
Thank you for your patience.
Yep.
Have a great
Thank you.
day.
You too. Next up is an IHOP. This is $20 going 9.5 miles, but it may be round trip, so it's not as good as it sounds. That all depends on if I get an order after I drop it off or not.
All ready to go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. All right, package secured. Oh, I forgot this was going so far away. It's fine. It's fine. Oh my goodness. They tried to give me an order on a different app, unfortunately. Otherwise, I would have taken it immediately. It was a kitchen table cafe, $9 going 3 miles in the same direction. Now, normally I would have taken that even if it's on a different app, but it's kitchen table cafe. I don't know if it's gonna be ready anytime soon, so not worth the risk. Oh, what the? There was a 50-cent tip on that. That was almost all base pay. Next up is a Starbucks. This is $17 going 7 miles.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Of course. Have a great one.
You too. Okay, it probably took me 20 minutes to even get back into my zone because both of those orders took me far, far away. But anyways, we're slowly making our way back in and got the next order. This is a stacked Starbucks, $7 going 2 miles.
All right, and that's Brianna.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
I like the decorations.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You too. Of course it's upstairs. It is always upstairs. Next order up is a McDonald's. This is $9 going 5.5 miles.
Delivery Granny.
Yeah. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Excuse me. There you are. Have a good one. I like how it's been raining all morning, but I as soon as it's time to go home, the sun comes out. This might be a shorter video, I'm not sure, so have some kitty clips. Current time is 9:40. Current total is 95. And waiting on a couple Uber tips, so I'll throw up the total whenever those come in. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.